Today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon poppy seeds cupcake. They're so good and so moist. So let's get started. So in a bowl, I've added about 1 cup softened butter or margarine. You can use either. To this I'm going to add my sugar. So I'm using 1 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to combine my sugar and margarine together using my spatula. So you'll mix this until the sugar is combined with the margarine. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs, 1 at a time. I'll use my whisk and combine the sugar together with the egg. I'll add my second egg. At this point, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then continue whisking your butter. So the butter should be soft and very smooth. So you make sure to whisk until you incorporate a lot of air in your butter. Next, I'll add my vanilla essence. I'm using 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix to combine together with the butter. Next, I'll add lemon zest. So I'll use my grater and grate zest of 2 lemons. So what you're looking for is the green part of the lemon, not the white part. The white part is usually bitter. My second lemon. So you can use any grater you have in the house. It can be the box grater or a grater like this one. They both work the same. So I finished grating zest of 2 lemons. Now I'm going to whisk together the zest and the butter. Look how colorful it has turned. I love anything lemon flavor because the citrusy flavor of the lemons is usually spot on. So now that it is well combined, I'm going to add my dry ingredients. So I'm going to put this aside, and here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt to my flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I'll use my sieve to sieve my dry ingredients into the batter. I'll add the flour in bits while whisking and adding milk. So I'm using 1 cup room temperature milk, so I'll add a little to my butter. Whisk together with the butter until combined. Then I'll add some more flour. Whisk. Some more milk. You're going to do this in intervals until you add the rest of the flour and milk. Lemon poppy seed is among my favorite cakes. So don't overwork your batter. You don't want to get rubbery cupcakes. So to this, I'm going to squeeze half a lemon to my batter. So this lemon is going to give me about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So my hands are clean and I'm using my hands to catch the seeds. Then I'll mix to combine with my batter. Next, I'll add 1 heaped tablespoon of poppy seeds. Then I'll mix to combine. So this is going to give me many cupcakes. So if you're looking forward to serve your cupcakes as dessert, you can make as many as possible. My batter is ready. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop to scoop out the batter into the cupcake liners. So here I have a muffin baking tin. So you scoop out and add the butter into the liners. So using an ice cream scoop makes it easy to be neat, and also it helps you to add equal portions of the butter into the cupcake liners. Yummy, yummy. It's smelling amazing. My first round of my cupcakes is ready to go into the oven. So you're going to bake for around 18 to 20 minutes or until you pop a skewer inside the cake and it will pop out clean. So these are ready to go into the oven. If you enjoy watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload my videos. I upload my videos 3 to 4 times a week. Yeah. I have so much to show you. So let's wait for the cupcakes to get ready and then I'll add my second batch into the oven. My cupcakes are ready, as you can see, and they're looking amazing and so flavorful. Actually, you can smell these cupcakes from another room. So flavorful. So I can't wait to have a bite. So I'm going to give one a try. They're smelling amazing and they're so fluffy. You can have a look at how good it is. Look how good it is, and you can see the poppy seeds from the inside. If you press on it, it springs back. It springs back. So that is a good way to know that you have a good cupcake. So good. You can actually taste lemon in these cupcakes. The lemon flavor is 100%, let me tell you. And also you can spot the lemon zest while you indulge in the cupcake. So good, so good. So thank you so much guys for watching, and if you enjoyed watching my video, you can like or comment. So I hope you make yourself lemon poppy seed cupcakes and you enjoy as I am. Oh my god, I'm enjoying. So catch you on my next episode. Ciao.